I'm completely shocked after watching this interview to see a scientist finally explain the human condition and fix the world. It's utterly astonishing.
What you will hear is really the most amazing talk that has ever been heard.
This interview left me speechless. It's bigger than natural selection and the theory of relativity.
I am stunned and honored to be alive to see the coming of Darwin Mark II in this interview.
I believe this is the most sensational information to ever appear on planet Earth.
So, I don't care what you're doing, you need to stop and listen to this interview.
When I watched the interview, absolutely, my mind was blown away, like instantly.
Because biologist Jeremy Griffith has actually decoded the human species. He finally made sense of our whole bewildering human condition.
Thought, hallelujah. Someone has explained it all at last.
The clarity of it is euphoric.
When I saw the interview, the way he put it in the science that was presented, a light bulb instantly went off and I was like, oh wow, that's the answer. That's the absolute answer.
It's just so powerful. Like, it just finally makes sense of the contradiction in ourselves and in the world. It's just unbelievable.
It deals with the core of life, how we can understand things at the core, so we could move forward with a fuller understanding.
The ultimate gift, the biological explanation of the human condition. It really, truly is magnificent.
I've finally found what I've been looking for about 50 years.
It totally rewrote my understanding of the world.
This knowledge has the power to actually save the world.
The clarity of understanding that this gives is absolutely brilliant.
Huge paradigm shift in thinking that this information brings. A massive presentation. It's just incredible.
Jeremy's interview was astonishingly insightful, as all the missing pieces of the great jigsaw puzzle of human nature fall into their proper places.
Jeremy explains it so holistically, and he credits some of the most honest, profound thinkers in human history, gets to the bottom of every single topic that has perplexed mankind for so long.
This has changed the way I see people. I now understand why they are like it. It's transformed my second marriage. I understand how he ticks and how men tick and why.
This understanding of the human condition will end all prejudices like racism forever.
So accountable, credible. I mean, this is first principle biology.
There's such an impoverishment of spirit now prevailing really globally, of the human heart, mind, soul struggling to make sense of its life world. And now with Jeremy Griffith's work, we can make sense.